Welcome to Brussels, Belgium. Brussels is the capital of Belgium and is also the headquarters of the European Union. Right now we are in a comic store because my favorite comic series on this planet is Tintin.
We didn't? Look at this place.
The Tintin comics were written by Georges Remy, who went by the pen name Horge. The comic series had an astounding time period from 1929 to 1976, an astonishing 47 years of the comic series being published. Brussels was chosen as the headquarters of the European Union due to its physical location. Belgium was right between Germany, France, and the UK.
We have a classic Tintin.
Belgium is a very interesting country because there is no such language as Belgian. Belgium is split into two different regions. To the north there's Flanders, which speaks Dutch, and to the south there's Wallonia, which speaks French.
This rocket.
Brussels, on the other hand, is located within Flanders but is majority French speaking.
Nice. What is this Tintin alone? These are not made by Hertz.
Welcome to the Cathedral Saint Michel at Gudule. This cathedral is named after Saint Michael and Saint Gudule, who are the patron saints of Brussels. The cathedral is a major example of Byzantine Gothic architecture, a style of Gothic architecture commonly found in the Low Countries. This is the Palais Royal de Brussels. If you're ever in Belgium and want to go to a cafe, a very famous thing that you can find commonly on the streets are waffle stands. They are mainly topped with chocolate sauce, sprinkles, and with cream. They are also famous for their variety of meats and pâtés. Welcome to the Grand Place. This is the center of Brussels, and this was the most beautiful and stunning part about the city. You can see its Hotel de Ville, also known as City Hall, and the buildings around it look half Dutch, half French. And what makes it so awesome is the gold lining on all of these buildings. Truly one of the most beautiful places I've ever seen.
Then how you got 5 euros then? I thought. Now that's nice looking. That is nice looking.
Thank you for watching the video, and we will see you next time in Antwerp, Belgium.